everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately. So please check the description box below and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is Class 4, Chapter 12, Sunita की पहिया कुर्सी. Sunita's wheelchair. पहिया कुर्सी means wheelchair. सुनीता सुबह 7 बजे सोकर उठी. सुनीता woke up at 7 in the morning. कुछ देर तो वह अपने बिस्तर पर ही बैठी रही. She sat on her bed for a while. वह सोच रही थी कि आज उसे क्या क्या काम करने हैं. She was wondering what she had to do today. उसे याद आया कि आज तो बाजार जाना है. Then suddenly she remembered. Today she had to visit market. सोचते ही उसकी आंखों में चमक आ गई. As she thought about it, her eyes flashed. सुनीता आज पहली बार अकेले बाजार जाने वाली थी. So Sunita was going to visit market alone for the first time today. उसने अपने टांगों को हाथ से पकड़कर खींचा और उन्हें पलंग से नीचे की ओर लटकाया. So she grabbed her legs by hand and pulled them down from the bed because she was handicapped. She couldn't move her legs. She couldn't walk on her legs. So that's why she used her hand to grab her legs. फिर पलंग का सहारा लेते हुए, सहारा मीन्स सपोर्ट, पलंग का सहारा लेती हुई अपनी पहिया कुर्सी तक बढ़ी. Then what she did with the help of the bed, she got on her wheelchair. सुनीता चलने फिरने के लिए पहिया कुर्सी की मदद लेती है. सुनीता uses the help of a wheelchair to move here and there. आज वह सभी काम फुर्ती से निपटाना चाहती थी. Today she wanted to get all the work done very very quickly. हालांकि कपड़े बदलना, जूते पहनना आदि उसके लिए कठिन काम है. However, changing clothes, wearing shoes, etc. were difficult tasks for her. पर अपने रोज़ाना के काम करने के लिए उसने स्वयं ही कई तरीके ढूंढ निकले हैं. But she herself have found so many ways to do her daily work, so that she won't have to depend on others. 8 बजे तक सुनीता नहा धोकर तैयार हो गई. So by 8 o'clock, Sunita was ready and she took bath also. She took bath and got ready. माँ ने मेज पर नाश्ता लगा दिया था. Mother had kept breakfast on the table. माँ, अचार की बोतल पकड़ाना. अचार means pickle. सुनीता ने कहा. So Sunita said, Mother, please pass me the pickle bottle. अलमारी में रखी है, ले लो. माँ ने रसोई घर से जवाब दिया. So it's there in the cupboard, take it. The mother replied from the kitchen. रसोई घर means kitchen. सुनीता खुद जाकर अचार ले गए. अचार ले आई. सुनीता herself went and brought the pickle. नाश्ता करते करते उसने पूछा. While having breakfast, she asked, माँ, बाजार से क्या क्या लाना है? Mother, what and all I should bring for the market? 1 किलो चीनी लानी है. पर क्या तुम अकेले संभाल लोगी? You have to bring 1 kilo of sugar. But will you handle it all alone? Because she was on wheelchair, so her mother is wondering, you can do that all alone? पक्का, सुनीता ने मुस्कुराते हुए कहा. She said, sure. सुनीता said, smiling. सुनीता ने माँ से झोला और रुपए लिए. So Sunita took, झोला means bag and money from her mother. अपनी पहिया कुर्सी पर बैठकर वह बाजार की ओर चल दी. And sitting on her wheelchair, she walked towards the market. That is, drove towards the market. सुनीता को सड़क की ज़िंदगी देखने में मज़ा आता था. सुनीता used to enjoy watching the street life. चूँकि आज छुट्टी है, इसलिए हर जगह बच्चे खेलते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं. And since today was a holiday, children were seen playing everywhere. सुनीता थोड़ी देर रुककर उन्हें रस्सी कूदते, गेंद खेलते देखती रही. So Sunita just stopped there for a while, watching them because she was enjoying that, watching them jump rope, play ball and all. She kept on seeing them. वह थोड़ी उदास हो गई. But after seeing what happened, she became very sad. वह भी उन बच्चों के साथ खेलना चाहती थी. शी ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू प्ले विद दोज चिल्ड्रन. खेल के मैदान में उसे एक लड़की दिखी जिसकी माँ उसे वापस लेने के लिए आई थी. So at the playground she saw a girl whose mother had come to take her back or to pick her back. दोनों एक दूसरे को टुकुर टुकुर देखने लगे. Both of them started looking at each other. Who? सुनीता and the girl. फिर सुनीता को एक लड़का दिखा. Then सुनीता saw a boy. उस बच्चे को बहुत सारे बच्चे छोटू छोटू बुलाकर चिढ़ा रहे थे. So all the kids there were teasing that child by calling him Chotu Chotu. Chotu means who doesn't have that height problem, who has a height problem, we call them as Chotu. चिढ़ा रहे थे means they were teasing him. उस लड़के का कद बाकी बच्चों से बहुत छोटा था. This boy's height was very smaller than the other children. सुनीता को यह सब बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. सुनीता did not like it at all because they were teasing of that is natural, like height and some disabled, that is natural. So Sunita was not liking that they are teasing that boy. रास्ते में कई लोग सुनीता को देखकर मुस्कुराए जबकि वह उन्हें जानती तक नहीं थी. On the way back many people smiled at Sunita even though she did not knew them. पहले तो वह मन ही मन खुश हुई परंतु फिर सोचने लगी. First she got very happy that she felt very happy that everyone is smiling at her. But then she started thinking, ये सब लोग मेरी तरफ भला इस तरह क्यों देख रहे हैं? All these people, why are these people looking at me like this? Like pity face, they are making some pity face and smiling and going. Why they are making such a face? खेल के मैदान वाली छोटी लड़की सुनीता को दोबारा कपड़ों की दुकान के सामने खड़ी मिली. So the girl she saw in the playground, Sunita saw that little girl again where she was standing in front of some clothing store. तुम्हारे पास यह अजीब सी चीज़ क्या है? उस लड़की ने सुनीता से पूछा. तो the girl asked Sunita, what is this strange thing you have? She was meaning about the wheelchair. यह तो बस एक, सुनीता जवाब देने लगी परंतु उस लड़की की माँ ने गुस्से से आकर लड़की को सुनीता से दूर हटा दिया. So Sunita was just about to answer that this is just a wheelchair, but before she could complete, she just said this is just a, and in that what happened? The girl's mother angrily moved away the girl from Sunita and what she said? इस तरह का सवाल नहीं पूछना चाहिए फरीदा, अच्छा नहीं लगता, माँ ने कहा. So she pulled the girl's mother pulled the child towards her and she said, Farida, you should not ask such type of questions. It's not good. The mother advised the little girl. मैं दूसरे बच्चों से अलग नहीं हूँ, सुनीता ने दुखी होकर कहा. But this hurted Sunita's feeling and what she said to the woman, that is the mother of that girl, I'm not different from other children. Sunita said very sadly. उसे फरीदा की माँ का व्यवहार समझ में नहीं आया. She did not understand the behavior of Farida's mother, why she was doing like that. अंत में सुनीता बाजार पहुंच गई. Finally सुनीता reached the market. दुकान में घुसने के लिए उसे सीढ़ियों पर चढ़ना था. So she had to climb the stairs in order to enter the shop. उसके लिए यह कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल था. But it was very difficult for her to do that. आसपास के सब लोग जल्दी में थे and everyone around her was in such a hurry. किसी ने उसकी तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. Nobody paid attention to her at all. अचानक जिस लड़के को छोटू कहकर चिढ़ाया जा रहा था वह उसके सामने आकर खड़ा हो गया. Suddenly the boy who was being teased as Chotu came in front of her and stood there. मैं अमित हूँ, उसने अपना परिचय दिया. आई एम अमित, ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हिमसेल्फ. क्या मैं तुम्हारी कुछ मदद करूँ? शैल आई हेल्प यू विथ समथिंग? मेरा नाम सुनीता है. सुनीता ने राहत की सांस ली. माई नेम इज सुनीता. सुनीता ब्रीथ्ड अ साई ऑफ रिलीफ बिकॉज एट लास्ट समवन केम टू हेल्प हर. मुस्कुराकर बोली, पीछे के पेडल को पैर से ज़रा दबाओगे? and what she said, she smiled and she said, will you push the back pedal a bit? हाँ हाँ ज़रूर, कहते हुए अमित ने पहिया कुर्सी को टेढ़ा करके उसके अगले पहिए को पहली सीढ़ी पर रखा. Yes, yes, sure. Saying that, Amit, what he did, bent the wheelchair and placed her next wheels, that is back wheels on the first ladder, front wheels on the first ladder. फिर उसने पिछले पहियों को भी ऊपर चढ़ाया. Then he also mounted or placed the back wheels on the staircase. सुनीता ने अमित को धन्यवाद किया और कहा. सुनीता thanked Amit and said, अब मैं दुकान तक खुद पहुंच सकती हूँ. Now I can reach the shop myself. दुकान में पहुंचकर सुनीता ने 1 किलो चीनी मांगी. So on reaching the shop, सुनीता asked for a kilo of sugar. दुकानदार उसे देखकर मुस्कुराया. When the shopkeeper saw her, he smiled on her. चीनी की थैली पकड़ने के लिए उसने हाथ आगे बढ़ाया ही था कि दुकानदार ने थैली उसकी गोदी में रख दी. So to get the sugar bag, she just showed her hand forward. But what the shopkeeper did? The shopkeeper kept the bag in her lap. सुनीता ने गुस्से से कहा. सुनीता angrily said, मैं भी दूसरों की तरह खुद अपने आप सामान ले सकती हूँ. I can take my things myself just like others. So she didn't like the behavior because she was disabled. He thought, okay, why to trouble her by giving something in hand? He directly put the kilo of sugar in her lap. But she didn't like that. She wanted to behave. She wanted all others to behave as if she is a normal kid. So she replied, I can take my things myself like others. उसे दुकानदार का व्यवहार बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. She did not like the behavior of the shopkeeper at all. चीनी लेकर सुनीता और अमित बाहर निकले. After taking the sugar, सुनीता and अमित came out. लोग मेरे साथ ऐसा व्यवहार करते हैं जैसे कि मैं कोई अजीबो-गरीबो लड़की हूँ. अजीबो-गरीब मीन्स स्ट्रेंज लड़की हूँ, सुनीता ने कहा. People treat me like I'm a strange girl, सुनीता said. शायद तुम्हारी पहिया कुर्सी के कारण ही वे ऐसा व्यवहार करते हैं, अमित ने कहा. Probably they behave like this because of your wheelchair, अमित said. पर इस कुर्सी में भला ऐसी क्या खास बात है? मैं तो बचपन से ही इस पर बैठकर इसे चलाती हूँ, सुनीता ने कहा. So she said, but what is so special about this chair? I sit on this chair since childhood and run it, Sunita said, because for her it was normal. Because from childhood she is being like this only, so it was normal for her. But for others it was not. अमित ने पूछा, पर तुम इस पर क्यों बैठती हो? So अमित asked, why do you sit on it? मैं पैरों से चल ही नहीं सकती. I cannot walk on my feet at all. इस पहिया कुर्सी के पहियों को घुमाकर ही मैं चल फिर पाती हूँ. लेकिन फिर भी मैं दूसरे बच्चों से अलग नहीं हूँ. By rotating the wheels of this wheelchair only, I can walk around. But still, I'm not different from other children. मैं वह सारे काम कर सकती हूँ जो दूसरे बच्चे कर सकते हैं. I can do all the things that other children can do. So how can I be different? सुनीता ने कहा. सुनीता said. अमित ने अपना सिर ना में हिलाया और कहा. So Amit nodded his head like he didn't agree to that. Like in that way he nodded his head and said, मैं भी वह सारे काम कर सकता हूँ जो दूसरे बच्चे कर सकते हैं. Even I can do all the things that other children can do. पर मैं भी दूसरे बच्चों से अलग हूँ. But I am also different from other children. इसी तरह तुम भी अलग हो. In the same way you are also different. सुनीता ने कहा, नहीं, हम दोनों दूसरे बच्चों जैसे ही हैं. So सुनीता said, no, we are just like other. We both are just like other children. अमित ने दोबारा अपना सिर ना में हिलाया और कहा. Amit again shook his head like he was disagreeing what Sunita is telling, and he said, no. देखो, तुम पहिया कुर्सी पर बैठकर चलती हो. Look, you sit on the wheelchair and you roam around. मेरा कद बहुत छोटा है. My height is very short. हम दोनों ही बाकी लोगों से कुछ अलग हैं. We both are different from the rest in some manner. सुनीता कुछ सोचने लगी. Then सुनीता started thinking something. उसने अपनी पहिया कुर्सी आगे की ओर खिसकाई. Then she moved her wheelchair forward. अमित भी उसके साथ साथ चलने लगा. अमित also started walking with her. सड़क पार करते समय सुनीता को फरीदा फिर नजर आई. While crossing the road, Sunita saw again Farida. That girl she saw on the playground and then in the clothing store. That girl was standing again. इस बार फरीदा ने कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा. But this time, Farida did not ask any questions. अमित झट से सुनीता की पहिया कुर्सी के पीछे चढ़ गया. अमित quickly climbed behind Sunita's wheelchair. फिर दोनों पहिया कुर्सी पर सवार होकर तेजी से सड़क पर आगे बढ़े. Then both of them rode on the wheelchair and very fast rode on the road. फरीदा भी उनके साथ साथ दौड़ी. फरीदा also ran with them. इस बार भी लोगों ने उन्हें घूरा, परंतु अब सुनीता को उनकी परवाह नहीं थी. This time also people stared at her. But now Sunita did not care about them because she knew they people won't change, but we are in her heart she is the same like children, but as Amit explained, like we are different from them, so she thought, okay, why to bother how they are thinking. So that's the story all about. It's a story about a girl, Sunita, who couldn't walk, and she used the support of a wheelchair. So one day morning she woke up at 7, and then she got ready because it was difficult for her to put her clothes and took bath and all, but she managed to do all that by herself and got ready. And where she was going for the first time to the market to buy something, because she had never gone alone to the market because she was she couldn't manage. So now her mother thought, okay, why not let her go and buy something. So her mother sent her to the market to buy a 1 kilo of sugar packet. So she went, and on the way she saw the street lights, the kids playing jumping rope with ball, and she thought, okay, why, she felt very sad that I cannot do all those things. But then she kept on going. But suddenly what happened, she saw a girl and who was standing there, and that little girl asked, what is a strange thing you are having? She was meaning about the wheelchair. But what happened, the girl's mother pulled her away and said, you should not ask such questions. But that time she felt bad because it is a simple question. She would have answered, it's a wheelchair. But why she is making such a scene that as if it's a bad thing? So Sunita got very irritated or very angry seeing the Farida's mother's behavior. Then she saw a little boy who was being teased by all other kids like Chotu. That means who is having very short height. So she felt sad for him also, but still she left that scene and went to the market. But when she reached the shop, she had to take the stairs. So in order to take the stairs, someone should help her with the wheelchair. But she looked around, no one helped her, everyone was busy. Then at last the same boy who was being teased as Chotu appeared in front of her. And then what happened, he asked whether she needed help, and she said, yes, can you help me with the wheelchair? And Amit helped her, and they went to the shop. And when she asked for a kilo of sugar, what the shopkeeper did, the shopkeeper directly kept her in her lap while she was asking in her hand. Then she didn't like the behavior also. She said, no, I can take my things with my own hands, no need to help me. So she felt very irritated, and she told Amit that why all these people are treating me different. I'm like all other children. But Amit said that no, you are different. You go always here and there with wheelchair, and I'm also different because I'm very shorter than all others. So they will treat us like that only. So Sunita was feeling very sad that people couldn't understand the feeling she's having, because whenever we look at some people with sympathy, they don't like it. We smile for no reason because we feel that they are disabled, and we smile for no reason. But actually they feel very bad because they are being treated with sympathy and pity. So they inside they feel really bad. But finally what Sunita did, Sunita ran with her wheelchair, not bothering what the people think. And this time also, at the end also, people were staring at them. But this time Sunita did not care about them. She left the thought of them because she wanted to enjoy her life by herself and not on the opinion of others. So that's the story all about. I hope you understood. Please Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.